Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 1st of September 2022. In my Forex trading plan, we are going to plan out what are we going to focus. Alright, okay, so how to trade Forex today? Yeah, alright. Okay, so I'm going to plan out something. Alright, so that is going to be our focus for the day. Alright, hi Trinette, 你好. Hi Joey from Hong Kong, 你好. Okay, so guten Morgen, Hubert, Flora, Carol. Yeah, hi, nice to see you here. Hi Roger from Malaysia. Yes, thank you so much. All right, so yes, thank you so much for coming in. And well, we are coming into this session. All right, so we are going to plan out what are we going to have, and later on we are going to into the London session to start trading with all the focus pair. Right, so yeah, let's take a look at what we have today. All right, Aussie CAD today over here. Yeah, Aussie CAD today, I would say that we are still in the bull. Okay, so there are some pullback in the bull. So tentatively, I'm not going to sell. All right, although there's a pullback, it's a retracement. It seems like we are going to retest this level. Yeah, it seems like we have about 49 to 50 pips, and also about 50 to 60 pips to the resistance. However, we are right in the middle, so we don't know where it is going. So at the moment, I will suggest that now just stay away first. Okay. All right, how about Aussie franc? All right, Aussie franc. Okay, so let's take a look at Aussie franc. Aussie franc, we are also now escalating as a bull here. So currently, all right, today I will be looking out for buying than selling. Okay, so I'm not going to touch this as well. Then Aussie Yen, we have tested into the bear zone for a few days. So now it seems like there is some turning down. So tentatively, are we going to start selling immediately with this area here? I will say tentatively, I will still want to observe further before I take an action. Okay. All right. So I'm going to skip that also. Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bull. So today we are coming back into the bull trend and looking at this. This bull is going to continue. So buyers can take note, but sellers stay away. All right, so how about Aussie dollar? Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar over here, we are coming back into the bear. So looks like our Aussie dollar is going to continue the selling. Looks good, all right, but where shall we start selling? Where? So at this moment, okay, we can see that now this is a good area here that the resistance is coming, all right. So at this point here, we can see that this is a bear trending market. Am I right? Okay, it's a bear trending market. So at this point here, we have met up with one. Okay, we have met up with one support, a minor support over here. But another one, the other one over here that I'm looking up for, we still have about, let's see, we have about 45 pips to go. So Aussie dollar, yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list to pay attention to this today. All right, Aussie dollar. All right, I guess it's because of the dollar going very strong yesterday. It pushes all the dollar pairs down. But today it looks like we are in the bear. However, it may have some retracement today. So it will be good that all the dollar pair will go and test the resistance before I really start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's take a look. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, we are going into the bull. As we can see, Aussie is going weak today. So now Euro Aussie is actually going for a buy. So tentatively, okay, I'm going to stay away from this Euro Aussie. All right. Okay, so buyers can take note because you still have very good space to buy. And now we have break the resistance over here. So then it's going to test on the higher resistance up there. All right. So this is something that we can take a look. All right. So for buyers, okay. So seller, stay away. All right. Hi CK, 你好. Okay. So next to go. So Euro Aussie, buyers can take note, but sellers stay away. Okay. Euro CAD. All right. Euro CAD over here. Well, Euro CAD, as we can see, Euro CAD is now escalating in a bullish manner for the past 4 days, and now meeting up with a resistance. Okay, So this resistance over here, as we can see, all right, this level, so it started to retrace downwards. Will it be a sign that it started to sell down? It's almost there, but not there yet. Okay, so currently, okay, we can pay attention to this Euro CAD because I see that the Euro CAD seems like it's actually coming down for selling. All right. Okay, so let's go to Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen has we are still in the bear, but the Euro Yen has escalated upwards as a pullback here. Very nice pullback. Okay, so currently, okay, it seems like it's going to look out for one resistance up there. However, now we are still in the bear. Correct? We are still in the bear. So tentatively today seems like it's coming back into our range. So let's look out for one level. Okay, as I can see, there's one level over here, the resistance. Okay, which now we have tested the resistance and it started to swing down. Okay, that looks good. So another new cycle is already started to sell. So for now, support over here, as we can see, very clear cut, very clear that we can see. All right, so at this point here, this is something that we may need to take note of the space available. Okay, so tentatively we are still having about 32 pips of space, so looks good. Okay, so I'm going to put this Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay, all right, so next to go. So Euro Kiwi, let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. How is this Euro Kiwi reacting? Okay, Euro Kiwi, we are going for a bull. So currently buyer can take note because Euro Kiwi, we still have very good space to buy. Okay, next to go is Euro Dollar. Well, Euro Dollar now actually we are still in the bear. Okay, but Euro Dollar, it hits on the resistance over here and now started to retrace downwards. From the resistance, we have retraced about 30 pips. So currently, is it going to continue the selling to meet up with this support here, which is about 35 pips away? So Euro Dollar also looks good to sell today. All right, so I'm going to put Euro Dollar into my watch list. Okay, Euro Dollar. All right, so let's move again. Pound Aussie. Right, Pound Aussie, we are in the bear, but the bear has tested the support. It started to retrace upwards, and now we are going to test on the resistance. The resistance has been tested once, got rejected, and now coming for a new selling cycle has coming. So Pound Aussie looks good also, about 54 pips to go. All right, so this one, okay, we can take note. Okay, Pound Aussie, right? Okay, so Pound Aussie. Okay, so today looks like all the major pair. It seems like something is there for us to take note. Okay, okay, so yeah, Pound CAD, we are in the bear. But this bear is actually coming back to retest the support level over here. So tentatively, I would say that we are left with about 20 pips. So Pound CAD looks good also. Okay, to sell, looks good to sell. However, this selling may only have 20 pips of space, which we also need to be careful. All right, whether are we going to sell for more pips or we just scalp pip. All right. So Pound CAD, okay, we can take note. All right, Pound CAD. Okay, so once again, Pound Franc. Let's take a look at Pound Franc. Pound Franc, we are right in the bottom. Okay, we are still in the bear, but the bear has some retracement today. So currently for Pound Franc, okay, we are going to stay away at the moment. Okay, before it actually started to move up against us as a seller. Okay. All right. So Pound Yen. Let's take a look at Pound Yen. Yes, Pound Yen, we are in the bear. Now today we are into the selling. So still good, all right, still good. But the Pound Yen, the support remains the same, has no change over here. So tentatively, I'm going to look out for selling for Pound Yen, all right. Pound Yen, yeah, it's still good, and Pound Yen will still be in my focus, all right. So let's take a look, okay. Yeah, Pound Kiwi. Let's take a look at Pound Kiwi. Well, Pound Kiwi, we are not, we are still in the bull. All right, today we are going to move in the bull direction. So tentatively for pound kiwi, we are not doing anything for selling. So just leave it alone and we'll just move away. All right. Okay. So at this point here, pound dollar. Let's move to pound dollar. Pound dollar, we have been pushing down lower. All right. So there are a lot of people are talking about pound dollar will maybe facing the same fate as euro dollar. Okay. So well, we will take a look. How is it like? Well, pound dollar, as we have read from yesterday, okay, in the class, in my Zoom class, we have about another 100 plus pip to go, okay, for selling. However, it's not meant to sell immediately right now all the way. It may have some retracement, so just want to find the correct entry so that we will be able to get the right one, okay, before we go for a selling. Okay, so for pound dollar, I'm looking out for selling, okay, but later on, we will see how it goes. It's good that for pound dollar, it should retrace upwards, okay, it should retrace upwards first to test the resistance before I continue the selling, okay. All right, dollar CAD. What about dollar CAD? Well, as we can see, dollar CAD right now, we are all in the bull, still running very strong, okay, so tentatively buyers, I would say that the buyers need to be careful because we are very near to the support, the resistance level. Okay, so buyers can continue to look at it, but seller we have to stay away. All right. Dollar franc, yes, as earlier on we were saying that last week we were talking about this area here. Well, this area there may be a retracement, but is it a confirm? No, not yet. So until today it is still on the bull. So it's still on the bull run. So dollar franc is still good for buying. Anyway, the resistance is still very far away, right? So tentatively, I would say that currently it is still good to go for a buy for dollar franc. How about dollar yen? Well, dollar yen. Well, congratulations to dollar yen. Okay, dollar has created a high, another high here, 139.431 as of now. Okay, so dollar is still going very strong. Okay, so will it give some chance that it will slip off so that the others dollar pair will have a chance to test on our resistance? Okay, probably, maybe, yeah. Okay, so but for dollar yen at this high here, okay, buyer can take a look. Okay, buyers, you can take a look. All right, so but for seller, okay, I guess this is not the right time. Okay, all right, so yes, for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, good. Now we are on the 20,082. All right. Okay, so this is still in hovering around this area. So currently, by looking at this Bitcoin, okay, I'm looking at the selling may still comes in. All right, selling may still comes in. However, we still need to take a look. Okay, but into this level, so that I will be able to see clearer. Okay, we are right in the middle right now. If things can happen in any price, okay, for this. Okay, so yeah. So as for gold, yeah, the gold, okay, gold trading here. All right, so for gold, we are still looking at this level over here. Right now it's sorry, it's not this level. Okay. Yes, 1696, around 1696. Okay, so this is moving towards the 1696. Okay, so tentatively, one of my targets here has been taken out. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. All right, so 1696 is one of the targets to sell, and then may have a retracement over at 1696. Okay, so just take note. Hi, Merry Christmas. May I know dollar yen? Yes, dollar yen. Why is that? Why you need to highlight the blue color? You mean the which blue color? Over here? Do you mean this part here? You mean this part here? If you mean this part here, okay. So this part is actually the part that actually I'm looking out for the buying. Okay, I'm looking out for the buying. So I'm looking out the price to be here. Reach this 139.296. Okay, so my target has been taken out for this. All right, since this week, starting of this week, the price has already escalated. Okay, yeah. So usually when I have this, it means that I have a target. Either it's for selling or for buying. Okay, for this one is for buying. Okay, we have been looking out for dollar yen for a buy. So I target when the price was since last week. Okay, I target the price started here to rise until this level here. Okay, so this is my target. So now my target has been taken out too. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so yep, that's all. Okay, so let's take a look. What do we have for this session over here? All right, so I'm going to flash it out for everybody so that you will have a clearer picture. Okay. Okay, so yes, let's take a look at this. Okay, we are going to focus in selling for Aussie dollar, Euro CAD, Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound yen, and pound dollar. Yes, we have quite a number of currency pairs today. All right. However, yeah, just take note. Okay, those that we need to have all these currency pairs that I focus, right? May not be 100%. Okay, may not be 100%. But if you are following through, okay, the currency pairs to trade, it will help you to focus so that you will not jump around the currency and then you will lose your focus. So if there's any chance that there's a selling, yep, then you will be able to sell it. All right. Okay. So, yep. All right. So I will be seeing all of you in the London session. All right. So in this London session, we are going to have a live trading. Yesterday was a boring day. I hope today we have something to look at. All right. So that we can take more profit from there as well. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And do remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation behind the video. All right, so show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. At the same time, do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that later on during the London session, I will see you there. All right, thank you CK, thank you Joey. Joey, hope to see you in the London session as well. Thank you very much. See you again.